Hey there, future GRE conquerors. Today, I want to dive into a word that's not only helpful for your GRE, but also for life in general. That word is abreast. If you're wondering why you should even care about this word, sit tight, because by the end of this video, you'll see why it's crucial for your GRE success. So, what does abreast mean? At its core, abreast means being up to date with something. Think of it like keeping pace with the latest trends or news. When you say you're keeping abreast of the latest developments, it means you're staying informed and not falling behind. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you're studying for the GRE, and you need to keep abreast of the latest test-taking strategies. If you're not abreast, you might miss out on crucial tips that could boost your score. See how that works? Now, why should you care about words like abreast for the GRE? The GRE tests your vocabulary extensively. You're not just tested on knowing the words, but also on understanding their context. Words like abreast can appear in reading comprehension sections or even in text completion questions. Being familiar with such words can give you a significant edge. Here's another scenario. Suppose you're reading a passage about technological advancements. If the passage uses the word abreast, understanding it can help you grasp the main idea more effectively. It's like having a secret weapon in your verbal arsenal. So, how can you use abreast in a sentence? You could say, I make it a point to keep abreast of current events by reading the news daily. Or, she stays abreast of the latest research in her field. Notice how the word seamlessly fits into various contexts? That's the power of a strong vocabulary. To wrap things up, mastering words like abreast isn't just about acing the GRE. It's about enhancing your overall communication skills. It makes you sound informed, educated, and articulate. Plus, it boosts your confidence during the test. So next time you encounter a new word, don't just gloss over it. Take a moment to understand it, learn its usage, and make it a part of your daily vocabulary. Trust me, it'll pay off in the long run. All right, future test takers, that's it for today. Keep studying, keep learning, and keep abreast of all the knowledge out there. You've got this. Thanks for watching. Music fade out.